Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk in granite crystal metallic. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90781A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.